I think short films are essential because they're really a stepping stone to, features. And I think it is one way to get your work out there. And today there's so many ways of making short films. It is the least expensive way to start your career as a director. I think there's great scope, and this competition is actually wonderful because this is truly a short film. You have to make it in 60 seconds. So I don't think it can be shorter, and you have to show your ingenuity and your originality and everything in 60 seconds, which is wonderful.
But abroad.
One way, if you win here, then you go to London where the actual global finals will be, and I think it's a wonderful opportunity. You get to go to the Empire, to the Jameson Empire Awards, which are these incredible awards. I've been for the last 2 years, and you actually get, perhaps if not to speak, at least to listen to some of the greatest filmmaking talent in the world, and that itself is such a shot in the arm. That itself should encourage you to keep on that dream and keep pursuing it.
My last question is, have you recently watched any short film which you're very
Jameson done in 60 seconds. It's a contest जहाँ पे लोग अपनी फेवरेट जो हॉलीवुड फिल्म है उनकी एक 60 सेकंड की एक अपनी वर्जन बनाते हैं. मतलब it could be a comedy, it could be dramatic, it could be anything else. It's a very very fun contest है. मतलब बहुत ही मज़ा है, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है because it's like आप एक बड़ी हॉलीवुड फिल्म बना रहे हो बट एक 60 सेकंड में बना रहे हो और बहुत ही कम बजट में बना रहे हो और बहुत ही मतलब नॉन एक्टर्स के साथ बना रहे हो. It's a lovely contest and it's great fun and I'm looking forward to actually judging what the films are like. I mean, if you look at whether it's the Jameson done in 60 seconds, it's a global contest. It's a global contest which is supported by not just me and it's been supported by Anurag in the past. But internationally देखा जाए तो people like Danny Boyle have supported it and it's very important for the industry. It's very important for younger filmmakers. मतलब आप दिखाओगे कैसे कि आप पिक्चर बना सकते हो या आपके अंदर टैलेंट है या आपके अंदर आप कुछ कर सकते हो. This is the best way of showing it. This is the way of showing the world that I know what I'm doing, I know how to make a film, and the fact that people actually come and judge it, and that you can actually then get to go to the Empire Awards in London if you actually win is a wonderful opportunity.
Looking forward to seeing all the 12 final entries. I think this concept itself, I'm a theatre person. I've been doing theatre for many years and मैंने पिक्चरें भी की हैं. मैं एक्ट्रेस हूँ. मैं दोनों मीडियम में मैंने काम किया है और मैंने एक सिमिलर चीज़ किया था एक फेस्टिवल शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट 10 मिनट प्लेस का. और ये फॉर्मेट जो है ये बहुत it is a very encouraging format to give young upcoming talent a chance, a platform. And for them, I think it is extremely exciting. I'm very proud and happy and sort of excited to see what they have come up with. The challenge मुश्किल होता है. कहानी 3 घंटे में बहुत अच्छी तरह बना सकते हैं लोग एंड बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं उसमें. लेकिन 60 सेकंड में कहानी बताना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. तो आई रियली वांट टू सी व्हाट दे हैव कम अप विद बिकॉज इट इज़ अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क.
Left side.
कंपटीशन है हर चीज़ में, फिल्मों में, शॉर्ट फिल्म्स में. Life is has become only about competing and जब हम पहले फिल्मों में काम करते थे इट वाज अबाउट मैंने अपनी पहली फिल्म देखी एंड मैंने सोचा ओ माय गॉड आई हैव टू इम्प्रूव माई सेल्फ, आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ. फिर दूसरी फिल्म देखा, मुझे लगा कि कहीं थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूवमेंट हो गया.
अरे ले रख लेना, ये रखने की नहीं है. ये देखो यही है, ये बाटी नहीं करनी है. बताओ बाटी नहीं करनी. आजा बाइट नहीं है
भैया आगे निकल के आ जाओ ना, इधर जगह है। एक आगे आ जाओ, एक आगे